Welcome back. I hope you're enjoying the course so far. If you get tripped up, feel free to ask me a question. Let's discuss CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Its primary responsibility is defining the look and feel for websites. CSS is used to define the layout of web pages, to assign colors to text and other elements, to add borders, and even shadows that could be used to give the page more of a 3D effect. Without CSS, websites would be very, very bland. Here are some buzzwords that you can throw out at your next dinner party. Everybody will be so impressed.
CSS.
Excuse me, must be losing my voice. CSS3 is the latest revision of the CSS specification. The earliest drafts of CSS3 go all the way back to 1999, so it's been around for a while, but it is still being developed to this day. CSS3 gave web developers so many more options. I've had to develop in environments where I couldn't use it, and it was a pain. I'm sure at some point we're going to be seriously talking about CSS4, but for now, CSS3 is the guy. The next buzzword is font icon libraries. Font Awesome is a font icon library, but it's not the only one out there. There are a lot of them available. So next time you hear your buddy talking about using image-based icons, you'll have to introduce him to Font Awesome. The last buzzword is responsive web design. Responsive web design means that the layout of your website will change based on the size of the user's device. There are websites that you'll visit on your phone and you'll have to zoom in to read the text. That's not a responsive design. Responsive design means that the layout changes so that you can easily read that text. You'll notice that the layout looks different on your computer. That is responsive web design. CSS3 enables that to happen through media queries. But that's a whole nother topic. I hope that was informative, and I really hope you can use those buzzwords. Let me know how that goes. We'll see you in the next lecture.